In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome error ERR connection reset in Windows 10. If you're seeing this error in Chrome, it usually means the browser was unable to maintain a stable connection to the website you're trying to open. The good news is that in many cases, this can be fixed with a few simple checks directly in Chrome and on your computer. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 PC. Before changing any settings, first make sure your internet connection is working properly. This is important because sometimes the error appears simply due to a temporary network issue rather than a problem with Chrome itself. Try opening another website, or check whether your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is active and stable. If your internet seems fine, the next thing you can do is refresh the page you were trying to visit. A quick reload can sometimes restore the connection. If refreshing doesn't help, restart your computer and then open Chrome again. This can clear temporary system or browser issues that may be interrupting the connection. Once your computer has restarted and Chrome is open again, check whether the error is still there. If the problem continues, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. From there, select Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page, where you can access privacy options related to your browsing data. Inside Settings, click Privacy and Security. In this section, look for the option called Clear Browsing Data and open it. This step is useful because corrupted cache files or stored browsing data can sometimes interfere with how websites load and cause connection-related errors like this one. When the Clear Browsing Data window appears, choose the data you want to remove, then click Delete. Wait for Chrome to finish clearing the selected browsing data. Once that's done, close the window and try accessing the website again in Chrome. At this point, the error may be resolved. If it was caused by a temporary browser issue, old cached files, or a small connection interruption, these steps often fix it quickly. As an extra tip, after clearing browsing data, it can help to reopen Chrome before testing the website again, just to make sure the browser starts fresh. That's how to fix Google Chrome error ERR connection reset in Windows 10. If this guide helped you, you can keep these steps in mind anytime Chrome has trouble connecting to a page.